Mobil 1 Extended Performance costs about $5 to $7 more per jug than regular Mobil 1 Full Synthetic, and whether that premium is worth paying or a complete waste of money comes down to one single thing that most guys never think about when they're standing in the oil aisle. If you've been buying extended performance because you thought more expensive automatically meant better protection, or if you've been avoiding it because you couldn't figure out what you were actually getting for the extra money, I'm going to settle this comparison once and for all. I'll break both down across 4 categories and tell you exactly which one belongs in your truck based on how you actually maintain your vehicle. Let me start with what separates these two products. Both Mobil 1 Full Synthetic and Mobil 1 Extended Performance come from ExxonMobil. Both use the same advanced Group 4 PAO and Group 3 synthetic base oil platform, and both carry the API SP certification and ILSAC GF6 compliance. The fundamental base oil technology is the same. What differs is the additive package. Mobil 1 Extended Performance has an enhanced additive formulation that is specifically engineered to maintain its protective properties longer, through a higher mileage drain interval than standard Mobil 1. Regular Mobil 1 Full Synthetic is rated for up to 10,000 miles. Mobil 1 Extended Performance is rated for up to 20,000 miles. At Walmart, regular Mobil 1 Full Synthetic 5W30 in a 5-quart jug runs about $29 to $31. Mobil 1 Extended Performance in a 5-quart jug runs $34 to $37. That's $5 to $6 more per jug. Round 1 is wear protection at standard change intervals. If you're changing both of these oils at 5,000 miles, which many truck owners do, the wear protection performance is virtually identical. Both products use the same base oil platform, and both have anti-wear additive packages that far exceed the API SP requirements. At 5,000 miles, the Extended Performance oil hasn't been given the chance to demonstrate its enhanced additive longevity. For a guy who changes every 5,000 miles, regardless of the oil he buys, regular Mobil 1 provides the same wear protection as Extended Performance. This round is a draw at short intervals. Score, tie. Round 2 is heat resistance. Again, both oils share the same base oil technology and similar flash point characteristics, around 446 degrees Fahrenheit for both. NOAC volatility is comparable between the two formulations, at around 8 to 9%. At the same viscosity grade and the same ambient conditions, both Extended Performance and regular Mobil 1 resist thermal breakdown at the same rate up to the 10,000-mile interval that regular Mobil 1 is certified for. Beyond that interval, between 10 and 20,000 miles, the Extended Performance additive package is specifically designed to maintain its protective capacity, while the regular Mobil 1 additive reserves are being depleted. This round is even at short intervals. EP wins at long intervals. Score, dependent on your usage. Now, here's where the math gets real and determines which one you should buy. Round 3 is oil life, and this is where the entire comparison is decided. The Extended Performance oil is engineered and certified for 20,000-mile oil change intervals. If you actually use it at that interval, the cost math looks very different than the per-jug price suggests. Here's the calculation. Regular Mobil 1 at $30 per change at a 10,000-mile interval costs $300 per 100,000 miles in oil. Mobil 1 Extended Performance at $35 per change at a 20,000-mile interval costs $175 per 100,000 miles. Used at its rated interval,
Extended performance saves you $125 per 100,000 miles compared to regular Mobil 1 at its rated interval. That's real money. Extended performance takes this round decisively if used correctly. Score: EP takes it. Round 4 is real-world practicality. Here's where I have to be straight with you about what I see in the real world. Most guys who buy Mobil 1 Extended Performance do not change it at 20,000 miles. They buy it because it feels like a premium product, and then they change it at 5,000 or 7,000 miles out of habit or anxiety.
When that happens, they're paying more per jug and getting the same result as regular Mobil 1. The extended performance advantage is completely negated by changing it early. Regular Mobil 1 takes this round for the average truck owner who changes on a short schedule. Score: dependent on your commitment. Here's my verdict. This comparison has one correct answer, and it's based on how you maintain your truck. If you change your oil by habit every 5,000 miles, and you're not going to change that behavior regardless of what oil you buy, purchase regular Mobil 1 Full Synthetic. You'll get the same engine protection for $5 to $7 less per change, and the extended performance benefits you're paying for will never be activated. Go to Walmart, grab the regular Mobil 1 Full Synthetic in your engine's specified viscosity for about $30. F-150 5.0 V8 and Silverado 5.3 V8 owners. That's 5W30. If you're committed to stretching your oil changes to 10,000 to 15,000 miles with a quality synthetic, and you're willing to run an oil analysis to verify your oil is still in spec, buy Extended Performance and use it at its rated interval. The cost per mile math works in your favor, and the enhanced additive package is engineered to deliver on the extended interval promise. Everything I mentioned today, both Mobil 1 products in the right viscosities, is linked in the description below, so you can compare current pricing at your local Walmart. Next time, I'm showing you exactly how to save $200 a year on oil changes without compromising your engine protection one bit. Take care of your engine. It's the only one you've got. I'll see you next time.